Kieran Caulfield. I'm the VP of Business Development with Idappcom. Idappcom has been going since 2004. We developed as very much a technical company looking to solve vulnerabilities and exploits that can be used to attack organizations of any size. Our position within the market is really to help raise the bar in terms of cybersecurity. And how we do that is by providing identities for threats and vulnerabilities. Those identities and rules can be used within intrusion protection systems and intrusion detection systems. It all depends on how an organization wishes to use them. They could use them within a test environment. They could use them within an environment which is assessing their network to ensure that their network is up to date from a patching perspective, but also to test the technologies that they've invested in order to protect their organization. So we work with a lot of large organizations, governments, and many of the leading vendors in the IT security space. We help them to enhance their product offering. We also work within the small to medium-sized business space and the home and personal office space. At Idappcom, we've recognized that there's a gap in the market within the intrusion protection space. Organizations, small to medium-sized organizations, people working from home, small office, home office, often don't have the resources to purchase the high-end intrusion protection systems that have traditionally been available. So we are looking to provide a solution in that space that is both cost-effective and provides a level of protection that definitely raises the bar in their cybersecurity. So we've got a device for the small to medium business, and we call it the BIPSI. We've got a device for the home user, for the small office, home office, and we call that our HIPSI. And the latest of those products is our product for the person on the move, and we call that the GIPSI. And these devices deliver a level of intrusion protection that is equivalent to the corporate standard, but within a box that is designed for use by organizations that don't have the resources, either in an IT perspective or a budget for a large ticket price solution. We see new emerging threats coming out that are targeting individuals of significance within an organization. So they may be senior executives or individuals that handle key information. So that might be customer data, it might be product development data. Those individuals have information that is valuable, and there's bad actors out there looking to acquire that information. That targeted attack may not be against the corporate environment, it may well be against that individual's home. And in today's world, we see that more and more smart devices are coming into the home. The home is becoming a connected environment. So we are providing a solution which is a small box. It's an intrusion prevention system. And that means that these individuals can be protected within their home environment. And it's not protecting their device, because we'll often hear, oh, well, my company invests heavily and I have a VPN and I'm protected. It's not about that. It's about the fact that in a connected home, there may be an exploit run against their smart television to turn on the microphone and then listen in to the conversations within the home and thereby glean key information about the organization. When a threat is identified, again, the user does not have to respond. Our team within our Security Operations Center are monitoring all of the devices that are out there in the field. Once we see a threat coming through and the system has blocked it, we simply notify the user and they become aware of the fact that they've been protected from yet another threat. It's great to be working with Idappcom. I've recently joined them, and I've realized that Idappcom are filling a gap in the market. They're an organization that really understand the threats of today, and that those threats don't only affect large corporate organizations, they're affecting the individual. And that individual may be in the home, just an ordinary individual, or they may be a senior executive with some key information. And we're looking to protect those individuals with solutions that are cost effective, that help them be compliant with GDPR, for instance, which is a huge emerging risk for organizations. And we're looking to do that in a way that makes sense and doesn't require a lot of IT expertise, and offering peace of mind that they may not have had before.